Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to my channel. Let me first introduce myself to you. I am Joy. I am a wife, a mother of 4 beautiful children. I'm a Nigerian living in Germany. I'm a creator of Chiommy Creative Kitchen. In this very video, I am introducing my new channel called Chiommy Creative Kitchen. I'm a self-taught home baker. I love cooking and baking. This has been my passion for years now, and I have taken it to a higher level. I have decorated a lot of cakes. I have baked a lot of cookies and pastries and other recipes that I have done. And so many people have enjoyed my yummy recipes and they want to know, how do I do it? Yeah, in this very video, I am going to introduce to you my new channel where I will tell you step by step how to bake like a pro. Oh yeah. How to bake like a pro. If I can do it, yes, you can do it. I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me. So in my video, in my YouTube channel, you are going to expect a lot of things. A lot of things, DIY tutorial, step by steps, how to decorate cake, how to bake a lot of cakes, and other things, other pastries. I have a lot of recipes I'm going to introduce into my channel. And I would love you to subscribe to my channel so that you will enjoy all these very tips and tricks in cooking and baking. And I will introduce to you a lot of desserts, homemade desserts that you can even enjoy in your home. You don't need to buy it in the supermarket. There's a lot of dessert in the supermarket, a lot of bakeries that you can buy, a lot of bakeries where you can buy a lot of cookies and all the rest of them. Trust me, you can do it. And once you do it, you thank me later. In this very channel, we will have fun in the kitchen. I will have a lot of things to enjoy with you. I will have fun. I love having fun in the kitchen. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will tell you all the secrets, all the ideas, how I made it all this while. I will show you step by step how to bake. Don't forget, like a pro. Yeah. And very soon you'll begin to see my YouTube channel. You'll begin to see my videos. I'll keep on uploading. Any moment from now, I'll keep on uploading videos in my YouTube channel. Please support your sister, support your friend by subscribing to my YouTube channel, like my video, share it, because there is love in sharing. Oh yeah. There's love in sharing. If you love me, share my video. Share my video and God will bless you. Thank you so much, and you will be expecting my video. See you in my next video.